Well, yes, good update coming in from Nykaa for their Q3 FY26. Let's understand what the overall commentary is. Consolidated gross merchandise revenue, that's GMV, and NSV, that's net sales value, growth is expected to be in the late 20s, which is strong and in line with how it's been for the last couple of quarters. Consolidated net revenue growth is expected to be in the upper end of mid 20s. Now, this is slightly higher than the mid 20s mark that they have been talking about. They've now guided for an upper end of mid 20s. So looking good over there. Let's talk about the segments then. First up, their biggest chunk of the contributor to the top line, the beauty business. The net sales value over there is expected to grow in late 20s, which they say is the highest in the last 6 quarters. So very positive update over there. House of Nykaa and the Pink Friday sale that went by during the Thanksgiving weekend and the Cyber Monday sale, the Black Friday sale that is, they call it the Pink Friday sale, and these two occasions have done very well for them. They've also seen robust new customer acquisition, and the net revenue growth is going to be in the upper end of the late 20s, which is in line with the estimate of 27% that Bloomberg is working with on a consensus basis. Now let's refocus and talk about the fashion segment. The net sales value growth is expected to be in mid 20s, net revenue growth in late teens. Now this could be slightly concerning because remember, just this time, just last quarter, this was in the lower 20s mark, 21% to be precise, and now they're talking about late teens. So this is going to be one metric to watch out for. Net revenue is expected to be lower than the NSV growth due to subdued content and marketing income, and also the ongoing channel optimization that's happening in the fashion segment. Also, the fashion segment profitability is going to be important metric to watch out for as well. So watch out for that. But other than that, very good update coming in from Nykaa.